Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture, we will cover the remaining topics of chapter number 2. The last 4 topics are mentioned as follows. So, we start our lecture with temperate deserts. They are found in most of Iran, Afghanistan, Central Asian states, and some parts of Pakistan. The rainfall is in between 50 to 300 millimeters. They are not as hot as our deserts. Small trees such as acacia and cassia, grasses and other rough coarse plants grow here. These are dry lands, but crops are produced by irrigation and fertilizers. Uzbekistan is the fifth largest cotton growing state in the world. Pakistan also has farmlands. The next region is the Mediterranean climate. They spread around the shore of the Mediterranean Sea, the coastal areas of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Syria, Turkey, and Lebanon. They have mild, wet winters and fairly warm, dry summer. Many fruits such as grapes and citrus fruits, olives, tobacco, vegetables, and flowers grow here. Northwestern part of Balochistan is not a true Mediterranean climate, but similar crops also grown here. Next topic is temperate grasslands. Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Palestine, parts of Jordan and Iraq are naturally temperate grasslands. In these areas, there is fairly low rainfall. It is about 400 millimeters per year. These areas are reasonably warm and excellent for rearing cattle. The natural vegetation is long grass, small shrubs, and other plants. Cereal crops such as wheat and barley are grown here. Wide variety of other plants and fruits are also produced. Finally, the last topic of this chapter is monsoon region. In Muslim world, only the subcontinent and Southeast Asia, Indonesia and Malaysia are affected by monsoons. In general, the wind blows from the northeast for 6 months and from the southwest for the other 6 months. Southerly monsoon bring heavy rainfall over 400 millimeters a year. In most places, there is thick, rich vegetation. Pakistan gets its monsoon rains from July to September. Pakistan receives less rainfall because the rain clouds cross India first. Pakistan also has winds from the west in the December to March period. These are called the westerly depressions and they bring a little rain. Students, our chapter ends here. Your homework is to do question and activities from page number 9. Thank you. Finally, The last topic of this chapter is monsoon region. In Muslim world, only the subcontinent and Southeast Asia, Indonesia and Malaysia are affected by monsoons. In general, the wind blows from the northeast for 6 months and from the southwest for the other 6 months. Southerly monsoon bring heavy rainfall over 400 millimeters a year. In most places, there is thick, rich vegetation. Pakistan gets its monsoon rains from July to September. Pakistan receives less rainfall because the rain clouds cross India first. Pakistan also has winds from the west in the December to March period. These are called the westerly depressions and they bring a little rain.